In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prevent important emails from being marked as spam in Yahoo Mail, so you can make sure the messages you actually need end up in your inbox where they belong. This is a quick but very useful fix, especially if you've noticed emails from contacts, clients, newsletters, or websites landing in the spam folder by mistake. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do to train Yahoo Mail and move those messages back to where they should be. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and go to your spam folder. This is where Yahoo places messages it thinks might be unwanted or unsafe. Inside the spam folder, look for the important email you want to keep receiving. You may need to scroll through a few messages if there are several items in there. Once you find the email, open it so you can view the message details. Now that the email is open, look for the Not Spam button. This is the key step because when you click Not Spam, you're telling Yahoo Mail that this message is safe and should be moved out of the spam folder. It also helps Yahoo learn that future emails from this sender are more likely to be important. So go ahead and click Not Spam to restore the message to your inbox. After you do that, the email should move back to your inbox automatically. If the sender is someone you expect to hear from regularly, this is a great habit to follow anytime their message gets filtered incorrectly. Over time, using the Not Spam option helps improve your inbox accuracy and reduces the chance of missing important emails. If you want to take it one step further, it's also a good idea to open a few messages from the same sender and make sure they're marked correctly. That extra consistency can help Yahoo Mail recognize the sender as legitimate. In some cases, you may also want to add the sender to your contacts, which can further reduce the chance of future messages being filtered into spam. And that's really all there is to it. To prevent important emails from being marked as spam in Yahoo Mail, just open the spam folder, find the message, and click Not Spam. It's a simple fix, but it can save you from missing critical updates, invoices, confirmations, and personal messages. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful email and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.